Hi friend, today I will introduce our new products, Monkeypox virus test. This is a new product. This one is antigen Monkeypox virus test. Now I will open this box to show you. This package is 20 pieces of cassette in one box. Have a look inside. This one smaller tube. You can put the buffer inside this small tube. 20 pieces of buffer. And 20 pieces of swipe. This one is a cassette. Now, let us open one cassette to check inside. This is a cassette. Desiccant inside this aluminum foil pouch. So this is the package of one box of Monkeypox virus test. If you want to know the price, please contact with us. This one is with CE certification.